Hey, today we're at the Valley of Fire right outside Las Vegas. I got here the wind holes. Sandstone, weakened by weathering, often develops small pits, which are enlarged in this by the action of wind and water. As the moisture dissolves away the minerals, cement the sand grains together. Wind whirls loosen sand within the pit, literally sandblasting the holes so commonly seen in the Valley of Fire. It is July, it's 113. Me and Cassandra are the only two people out here. We've been out here twice before and it was much more crowded. I think the 113 degrees may have scared a few people away. Can I ask Cassandra? It's a little bit warm out here today. Humidity's only about 5%. If you guys haven't been here before, if you're a Nevada resident, it's $10, otherwise it's $15 for the day. Looks kind of like Mars, Star Trek Generations, Transformers, and the Schwarzenegger Total Recall were all filmed out here. Last time we were out here, we did see a ram. This is our third time out here. Let's see if we see any wildlife today. 2 more cars. You can pay to camp farther on down there if you're interested in camping out here. In case 113 degrees is your camping weather. Walk around this first area, the wind hole beehives, one more time. Since it's 113, Cassandra's decided to stay safely in the air conditioning. Good call for her. I'm just going to give us one more look through here, and then most of the video might be driving around instead. It's at least 113 out here. The wind just started to pick up. In the car because it's 113 right now. My phone is feeling warm, so hopefully it doesn't overheat before we can make some more videos for you guys. Usually this is jam-packed. I think since it's 113 degrees, we may be one of the few people in the park today. We're going to move along to the next part of the park. Right over there is where we saw a ram last time we were here in 2019.